Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. Do you know we are about to learn some new colors, which are called secondary colors. Now, I will tell you how we can make secondary colors with the use of primary colors. But you have to listen it carefully and then give the answers. So, let's start. If you have yellow color and you will put blue color in it, do you know which color you will get? Yes, you will get green color. Very nice. Now the next one is, if you have red color and you will put blue color in it, do you know which color you will get? Yes, you will get purple color. Very good. Now, if you have red color and you will mix yellow color in it, which color you will get? Very good, you will get orange color. Now, let's sing a secondary song together. Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Purple color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Orange color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Wow, lovely, very nice. Now, you will tell me your favorite colors and search it around yourselves. Do you know, we have some fruits and vegetables which also have secondary colors. Like oranges, orange carrots, these both have which color? Yes, they both have orange color. Green capsicum, green chilies, these both have green color. Which color? Yes, green color. Purple grapes, purple brinjals, what color do they have? Yes, they have purple color. Now, I want you to make a fruit basket with secondary colors. I'm sure you will have fun making it. I will be waiting for your videos. See you next time. Goodbye.